Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to explain about a software which is very useful in order to draw drawings for any structure such as buildings, road and bridges. You can also use this software for mechanical drawings. This software is called Auto CAD. I am going to use Auto CAD version 2006 because it is very easy to download in your computers, and obviously in my case I was not able to download a latest version, but the fundamental things are all same. For example, the main commands and how you can draw, how you can use the software, everything is more or less same. Okay, let's come to give you some introduction about some commands. So I am sure that you are all wise enough to download this software on your computer. If you can download latest version, it's well and good, and if you cannot use or cannot download the latest version, you can use and download version 2006 on your machines or computers easily. Okay, so let me give you some introduction about some basics commands, some very important commands which everybody should know in order to draw any kind of drawings. So AutoCAD is basically a digital system or digital platform where you can draw drawings rather than drawing on paper, for example, or making any design on paper. Okay, so first of all, this is a screen. As you can see, is all open. So you can see so many command bars here: file, edit, view, insert, format, tools, draw, dimension, modify, express, window and help. Okay, then you have by layer again, because I will use these all things later in my other videos. And on the right hand side you can have command called mirror, offset, array, you can have move, you can either have scale, and these are trim, and so on and so forth. So extend, you can see, you can, if you just bring your mouse on to these commands, it will give you the name of that command. It's very simple. So on left hand side we have line command, we have construction line, we have polyline, we have polygon, rectangle, arc, circle, we have division cloud, we also have spline, okay, ellipse arc, insert block, make block, this is hatch, okay, gradient, table, you have region, and at the end you have multi-line text where you can write things on your drawing. Okay, so on the top, this is, I have explained the command bar, which are very simple, and right and left hand side you can also move these commands by dragging them to right and left, or putting wherever you like to put them on your taskbar, or it's very simple. So I have just dragged from left to the top. You can drag all of them. Okay, then you have an options here that you can save your drawing. Okay, you can open it, you can also use other options. For example, you have by block, here are the line types, here you have the colors of line and all that stuff. I will explain later in my videos. Okay, let's come to the first video. Okay, as you can see, this is a whole screen. This is called model. As you can see, this is model, this is layout 2, this is model. We always work on our model screen. Then to finalize our drawings, we click layout 1, layout 2. If you have more layouts, you can create more layouts by clicking on right click in here. You can create right clicking by right clicking on the layout, and you can have rename, format, new layout, whatever. Okay, if you have more drawing, you can create more layouts and more pages, but main thing, we draw everything on model space. This is called called model space, this is called layout space, layout 2 space, etc. Okay, so first of all, the main thing, we have line command. By clicking on line command, okay, you have a cursor like that, see, is a big plus. So you can draw a line, you can draw a circle, you can draw polyline, you can draw hashed line, etc. Okay, I am going to make a line, I'm going to make a rectangle using line command. Okay, and I will also explain the difference between line command, polyline, rectangle, arc and circle. Okay, line command is only used to draw a single line. I mean, it is not going to be connected with other line. It will be only one unit, it will not be a whole unit. If you use polyline, polyline would be the whole unit, will be whole drawing. I'm going to show you in a minute. Okay, so this is a line, I have just clicked on it, and as you can see, the line is not straight. In order to make it straight, you can just click on F8. If you click F8, the line would be straight. Okay, if you click again F8, it will be moving, it will not be straight. Okay, so this is line 8. Okay, I forgot to mention one thing before drawing any line or anything. We have to change our units, I mean in which units we are going to draw our drawing. Okay, so the units are, if you click on format, you can find your units here, or you can just simply write unit and just enter it, it will comes out on the screen. So this is decimal engineering, we always use decimal. Okay, then precision, like how much correction you want, like decimal points, I would like to ask you to just go for number 3 because we need only 2 decimal points. Decimal degree, you want to use gradient degree, whatever, we will go for decimal degree because this is a right way of doing it, again in here as well. Okay, so don't click clockwise, this is in inches, you can do it feet, you can do in yards, whatever you like to do. So I like to keep it as a inches, so that's okay. Or sorry, I like to keep it as a feet. So if you just click on feet, and your all the drawings will be in feet. Okay, now come to the line command. I have pressed on the line command, so I again press in the model space. So just draw how much big line you want. I want like 5 feet, just click on 5 and enter. So double enter, once you double enter it, you will have a line. Okay, so this is one line. As I said, line commands only shows a one unit. Okay, and if I like to draw another line to draw any rectangle or square, then I have to go to again to the line command by clicking it on again, or I can right click my mouse and it will say repeat line command. So you can just click repeat line command and it will give you there. As you can see, a small box in here, it means that you are selecting the next line from the corner of the first line. Okay, this can also be removed by clicking F3. If you click F3, you don't have that now. We always need to have this small box because this shows more precision. If you click on F3, then you will have that box appear. Click on it. Okay, just click 4 again because the first line was 4 feet, I think it was 5 feet, sorry. Okay, double enter, you have another line. If you want to repeat, if you want to make more box, repeat line command, click on it, go there, click 5, double click on it, then again we are making a rectangle. Then again, if you just click with the mouse, it'll be okay. Obviously if you don't want to do that, then double click, double enter, press double enter, and you will have a box generated. So as you can see, this is one box, one rectangle, but this has only 4 units. Combination of 4 units will give you a rectangle by using line command. Okay, if I'm going to explain the difference between line command and polyline basically. So then this is 4 units within one rectangle. Now I am going to use polyline. Okay, what polyline does, polyline is a combination of all lines which give you one object. For example, okay, I am pressing 1, is similar to the line, similar to line command. So I had 5, I just click 1, enter. Then because the line is just there, I did not double press enter, I just carried on by clicking 1, enter. Then I moved my mouse downwards, then I press 5 again. Okay, you have another 5, length 5 feet, then again another 5 feet. Okay, then the final point is here. So at this point I have to double press the enter. So okay, so once you have double click on the, sorry, I think I made a mistake. It's just polyline 5 feet, then you have again 5 feet, then you go again 5, and then you go again 5. Yes, its software is slightly older version, so it is not doing the job properly. Then you have, okay, double click on it. Once you finish your drawing, double click on it and it will finish the drawing, make your object. Okay, as I said, in the line command you have different units of line. So see, different unit, this is different unit, this is again different unit, this is and again different unit. But in polyline, if I just click on once, is a whole unit. So it's not a different line, it's just a one line gives you one object. Okay, so these are the objects I have created. This is just a rectangle, you can draw any other thing. Okay, let's say if I am going to use circle, click in the middle, this is the radius, how big circle you want, just click 5, it will give you a radius of 5. It means the diameter of circle is a 10 feet, sorry. Okay, and another thing which I am going to say, I'm going to explain you about UCS. This is x-axis and y-axis. These x-axis and y-axis has to be at the origin rather than in our model space. How we can fix this? If you just go on format, sorry, it's not format, sorry, it's a view. Click on view, come down, you have a display and UCS icon, you will see origin. If you just click on origin, UCS will come, I mean your x and y direction will come at the origin point. Okay, so now you can go up and down and this will be at the origin point. Okay, so this is the model space. We have created two boxes, one using line command and the other one using polyline, and the third command which we use to generate a circle. So 3 commands I have explained so far. I will bring further videos how to draw a building drawing, how to draw, you know, anything, road drawings, whatever you like to draw on AutoCAD, while using AutoCAD. That's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.